why the fuck is recording vocals so hard? I'm trying to record them. I've been trying to record them for the past fucking day. I cannot get it. Every time I do it, it sounds so ass. Like, I don't know why. And this one right now, what I'm playing right now is just the structure. I think most of the sounds are good, but it could be better. Most of the structure's done. I think I want it short. I just want to practice like rhyming and stuff. Any tips on the structure or the sounds? Because I switched to another drum beat. I think it sounds better, but I don't really know. If you like it, let me know. It's almost done. Any tips would be greatly appreciated.